Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to create a line chart by considering chart data as dynamic. To accomplish this process, I am using CountA function, match function and offset function along with named ranges. In sheet 2, I have some data. Column A consists of dates and column B consists of price. So by using this data, I am going to create a chart. As part of this process, first I am going to create a name for the data of dates which exists in column A. To create the name, here I am using offset function equivalent to offset open bracket. This function consists of 5 functional arguments. First one is reference. Here I am considering A2 as the reference cell. Thereafter, I am mentioning 0 for rows and for columns also I am mentioning 0. As I would like to consider the data based on dynamism, I am using CountA function. I am selecting entire column A's data. As data started from second row, here I am mentioning -1. Here I am mentioning as 1. Click on OK. Copy the formula. Under the formulas tab, click on name manager. Click on new. Here I am mentioning the name as dates data. Pasted the formula. Click on OK. Now it is selected accurate data. Thereafter, in the F2 cell, I am going to create a drop down for the dates. In F2 cell, I am creating a data validation. Select the data tab. Click on data validation. Here I am selecting the list. Thereafter, I am selecting the name which I already created for dates data. Click on OK. Again in J2 column, I am going to create a numeric drop down. Here I already provided the numbers. I am using the same. Select the data validation. Selected the entire data. Click on OK. Next I am going to create a name for X data. Here we can find the data for functional arguments. Coming to reference, I considered as A2. Thereafter, coming to rows, I used match function here. Coming to columns, I mentioned as 0. Coming to height, I considered the number which I provided in J2 cell. Width I considered as 1. Copy the formula. Click on formulas tab. Click on name manager. Click on new. As I am using this data for x-axis, I provided the name as X data. I am pasting the formula. Click on OK. Now I am going to create a chart by using these names. Click on Insert tab. Select the line chart. Thereafter, right click on the chart. Click on Select Data. Next I am inserting the data for the y-axis. Click on Add. This is the series name. Providing the workbook name. Press F3. From the available names, I am selecting Y data. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now I inserted Y data. Thereafter, I am going to enter the X data. Click on Edit. Enter the workbook name. Press F3. Select the X-axis data. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now I successfully created the chart. Date mentioned in F2 cell denotes starting point of the chart data. Number which is mentioned in J2 cell denotes number of rows from the starting point. So here I am changing the date. I am selecting January 5th. Here I am selecting 11. Likewise, we can change the charts data as per our requirement. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.